Hi, my name is Sandeep Ganju and I am the Senior Director for Business Development and Strategy at LexisNexis. I have been here for almost 5 years now and I find my experience here very enriching. The company is a global company, and what I like most about this company is its nimble-footedness. I think in the last 10 years, the company has completely evolved from being a big major publishing house to a robust online business. In 2003, 90% of our revenues globally were coming from the print business, the print publishing business. It's all changed now. 90% of our revenues now come from online business. So that's what excites me about this business. This business is about new technologies. This business is about dabbling with technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and this is the business of future. The way we've transformed our business is just phenomenal. The other things which really excite me about working in this company are really about the culture that we have. We have a very open culture. We have a culture where people grow. Personally speaking, I have 5 years back I joined as a director for the print business, and then every year I was given an enhancement in my profile. I was made to look after the online business and then strategy, mergers and acquisitions. So essentially I've been growing both in terms of profile, in terms of the roles that I've got, and that's really exciting, and that's what is happening in this company with a lot of people. A lot of people have been given consistently job enhancements. Their roles have been expanded. I think in terms of the people that succeed in LexisNexis, I've seen a couple of traits which are very visible in people who succeed in their jobs, especially the sales job or the business development job as far as LexisNexis is concerned. First and foremost is the professional knowledge, the skill sets that they bring in. Technology plays a big role here. People who understand technology better win as far as their jobs are concerned. Second, but the most important one is really the attitude. I've seen people who have been mediocre in their skill sets, but they carry a very strong attitude. They carry a positive attitude. When they join this company, they pick up stuff, they learn it quickly, and then they go on their job in a professional manner and win for themselves and for the company. LexisNexis work culture is a very, very professional culture. It's a true MNC. It's a multinational corporation which spans about 120 countries. So it has the true bearings of a multinational corporation. It has global processes, global systems. So that's the hallmark of our culture. At the same time, we are a very aggressive, business-driven organization, a numbers-driven organization. And we like to win in the market. Wherever we go, our aspirations are to win in that market, to be the market leader. So that defines us in terms of our work culture here. And finally, we are also very relaxed, and we are also a fun-loving place. As I speak to you, there is a lot of fun stuff happening on account of Independence Day. And there are people gathered all over the cafeteria having fun, having lighter moments, and that's something that defines us as well.